everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Zule Kitchen's cocktail shaker set. So basically what it comes with is the shaker, strainer, measuring cup, and stirrer. Or this thing is called a jigger. Let's go ahead and see what they look like. Everything, as I said, is also made from stainless steel. All right, so first we have the spoon. Comes with a flat top, like that, with a beautiful design over here. You can actually set it down like this, I think, if you would like. Let's see if it balances. Actually, it does, but I think it's more so it doesn't fall into the cup itself. Here we have the jigger, or the measuring cup. Next, we have the strainer, or the cap. And it comes with a cap like this. Fits perfectly together like that. And then finally, the actual cocktail shaker itself, or the body of it. So it's just a stainless cup like this, 24 ounces. So fits basically any drink you want to mix. This is it. This goes right over top. Shake, 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 shake. Mix. And that's it. Ooh, it also comes with a recipe handbook. Let's see what they have. Bloody Mary cocktails, cosmopolitan, daiquiris, Manhattans, pina colada, margarita, martinis. I mean, any kind of drink you would like that. I mean, that are, you know, the common, basic, amazing drinks. They have a recipe for it, and it's super easy. Let's say, for example, if you want to make a daiquiri, right? 2 ounces of rum, 3/4 ounces of sugar syrup, and 1 ounce of lime juice. And all you need to do is literally add all those ingredients into this with ice, shake until chilled, and then strain the mixture into a Kope glass, and that's it. And then add your garnishes. And that's how you make that. So super, super simple. So there you have the Zule Kitchen cocktail shaker set. If you'd like to purchase this, check out the link below. And for more product reviews, continue watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.